That ain't coming out. That's nice and solid. Wish it had a lock on it though. Let's see, can it turn? Thought it turned. I guess not. Feels very plastic. That's what I've been using. But this cage and everything is too heavy. Really nice. Good size. Really awesome. Ten out of 10. Awesome product.
This is ULANZI Osmo 360 telescopic boom pole and a tiny tripod. It comes along with a Velcro wrap with a plastic adapter from which I can hang this stuff along with the camera. The ball mount moves smoothly and it can be tightened securely with the knob. 3 tiny leg expands. It is made of plastic and very lightweight. The Osmo 360 is also very lightweight camera, so there is no concern. I extend the boom pole by pulling on the top, spread the tripod legs. It becomes a tiny nice stand. My biggest concern is with this Velcro wrap adapter, which I suppose to wrap around my backpack strap. The plastic slot gives very little indexing or guidance to guide this into the proper position. I had to try it several times, and it takes considerable force to push it in or take it off. And while this wrap is mounted on my backpack strap, it will be extremely difficult to do so. So I don't think I will like to use this in the field. However, it is very nicely made and it will be a great stocking stuffer for Christmas.